Hello and welcome again. Sorry I couldn't do videos before, but now I'm making them again. I'm going to show you something that I got in the mail today, and I think I'm going to put another video next week showing you all my equipment, the new equipment I have, so you can see how I upgrade all my equipment from the beginner tools to the more professional tools that I have. Nothing fancy, just new things, but now today I want to open this package with you and I want to show you what I have in the mail. First I want to show you these bottles. These are very good for the mixing, for the paint mixing. I got the wrong size. This is 60 millimeters and I think it's enough with only 30 millimeters. So this is too high, a little bit too big, but it's working. I have been trying with smaller bottles. I don't like them too much. I like more this kind of plastic bottles with this drop system here. And then I will put, of course, one of the metal balls inside to mix the paint perfect. But this one is a very good one. So I bought around 30. I have a lot of package here. Those are very good, very good. So it's always good to have a lot of bottles and mix all your paints before you paint. Let's open the package. This thing is, oh yes, I know what it is. Mixing cups with sticks. Those mixing cups, those ones, these are better than the ones I had. The ones I had before were, well, it worked, but it had a very big, oh no, those are the wrongs too. Alright, let me show you. Do you see these? I'm not sure if you can see them. But inside there are these things here. Well, seeing the surface inside the this thing, there are things here inside that when you use your tool for remove the paint, it's very difficult to mix the paint inside. I can live with that. I have been living with that 2 years, so not a big problem. But then again, not the best ones. Now we open the big box here. This is from my usual supplier, and I love how much I can get from the same supplier. I can get everything from them. Well, the first thing is this pressure regulator for the airbrush. I think it's time to use one of these. I will open the compressor pressure as much as I can, and then I will reduce it with this on the airbrush. So this one I think is going to make my life easier. Here we have 2 needles. This one is for the Evolution, for the Infinity, and for the Ultra 0.15 millimeters, and this is version 2. There was a version 1 before. They say that the version 2 is better than the version 1. I never tried the version 2. I will try and come back to you. And this is the 2 millimeters, also for the Evolution, Infinity, then Ultra and the Grapho. Then again, I have a lot of things here. I'm not sure what it is. Well, yeah, of course, my thinner, my preferred thinner, the leveling thinner 400, one of the best. And then I have my favorite Mr. Tool cleaner to clean the airbrush. Nothing more. And then we have all the paints here, and I have a lot of boxes. Those paints, you know that I mainly use Mr. Color. I'm in love with the new Mr. Metallic Color GX. This one Those ones are very, very good. I've been learning what colors I'm using the most and only buying those colors. But I try to buy everything with this GX version of the Mr. Color paints because they are wonderful. There are a few metallics and a lot of metallics color, and then there are a lot of primary GX colors too. Those ones are the normal Mr. Color. I have a lot of these small boxes here with a lot of colors. So when you paint toys, you will need a lot of colors to get this incredible gold, metal gold color. This one is one of my favorite. So I think this is all for today. Before we go, I can show you the bunnies that I've been painting, and they are exclusive, they are one-offs. So let me show you. Wait just 1 second. So these are the bunnies I have been painting. Those are Sofubi made in Japan, painted by me with airbrush. This one is a pink and metallic one, and this, I think this one is a clear one. Then you have metallic purple and blue. Another clear one, red and metallic blue with a little bit of silver. The pink one, this one, and this one. This one is one of my favorites. And this is a yellow and purple one. Last colors are the clear one and the orange. It's a very lovely one. And then I have the metallic and pink with the blue ears. So these are the bunnies. These are my latest Sofubi toy. Nothing more. Sorry for the time I haven't uploaded a video, but I think I'm going to try to find the routine again and upload a lot of videos in the next week. So thank you very much, and I see you next week. Bye.